Get access to the Cybernet Mark 1 finals and replace, which are the 1969 and 2103. You have one in behind that shield there and one in here. Now how do we get to those? It's pretty straightforward. We remove the 4 plastic screws from here. Desolder the tabs there, there and there to lift up the shield and the capacitor. Then what you need to do is remove these 5 screws here, and what that allows you to do is remove the heat sinks, and you need to desolder here and here. Once you've removed the screws, these should just slide out, drop out. Oh, sorry, there's one screw right there you need to pull out as well to remove that heatsink. So once you remove those, I'll give you an example. I've already replaced these. You'll come up with a heatsink looking not indifferent to this. 2166, sorry, not 2103. That's the driver. And these are mounted on silicon pads. GE does that in the A and B models. So you just remove those, put them back nice and straight, bring your legs through the board here and here. I bend them and then push down on the leg to make sure it's flat on the surface, and then solder and then clip. Be very careful because there's some tracks that are very close to the legs, like this one here, that one there, and this side's okay. Alright, I'm ready for reassembly. Okay, we're back on this. Some hours have passed. Basically got it working, had to replace quite a few parts, and they started with the finals, an O2A chip, and also a VCO as well. So I pulled that from a parts radio. The situation now is that we have TXRX. It still needs a service for alignment and power, but the main thing is that it's working. It's just off frequency on AM, and just on 4 watts TX. So I've set that. We'll just do SSB. Okay, we've got TX. It's only around about 5 watts, channel 1, and about 4 watts on channel 18. So still a bit of work to do, but the main thing is that the radio is working. Thank you for watching. Another one brought back. An Apollo AP701, 18 channel, delivered to Australia. If you can remember in previous videos, I purchased this as a project. What we've done is a cosmetic restoration. It's not totally 100% yet, but it's close. The radio wasn't working, it didn't come with a mic. I've wired up a GE mic for the moment. I've gone through it. I found that it had faulty power transistor, 1969. Also had a Dickey O2A chip, so I put in a chip holder and a new O2A. Partially came to life, and suspected the VCO, put in the VCO, and the unit has come alive. So all up, really happy to see this. Still needs a service, and the caps really do smell. It's one of those things that it's still a work in progress. But the point is that it's TXing, it's RXing, and it just needs a service, which is easy peasy. All right, well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the journey. It's been a quick one of returning this radio back to life, and also the other radio, which was the Pierce Simpson Super Panther. That's also working as well. Well, there you go. Thank you very much. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Great hobby. Thanks, guys.